Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm in this assignment, Frequently Asked Questions, FAQ, with you. So let's survey this assignment and learn what it's all about. Okay, up at the top we have our video that you're watching and listening to now about this assignment. Below it we have two links. We have the timeline and the assignment purpose. I'll click on those links in a moment. Let's first read the directions as they'll be helpful. Answer frequently asked questions, FAQ 1 through 9 below. And here are the questions right here, 1 through 9. We see them all here. Okay. Use this Q&A information to help you answer the questions. Number your responses 1 through 9 and post them in this assignment. So this Q&A information is a link to answers to the questions. You would just go through this link and read the information and pay particular attention to this reading timeline that I've established for you. It's very helpful. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, get back into the FAQ assignment, and I'm going to click on the timeline. Okay, so the FAQ timeline. Submit your answers to the 9 questions by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. If you cannot meet this timeline, come over here to Inbox in the left menu and send me an email. Let me know what's up, and I'll do my best to help you. Okay, I'm clicking on the back arrow, getting back into the assignment, and I'm going to click on the assignment purpose. The FAQ assignment purpose. The purpose of this assignment is to provide an orientation to this class, how it's organized, what to read by what date, and how the teaching grading process is conducted. Okay, I'm clicking on the back arrow. I'm back into the assignment, and I'm going to remind you that I'm over here in Inbox. If this assignment is not clear to you, if you have a question, don't hesitate to email me. You're never emailing me too much. Email me as many times as you need to. All right, let's get going on this assignment.